In today's video, we are going to do an oil change and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. I'll also have the steps in the description, just in case. The first thing you want to do is check your owner's manual and check which oil is the right one for your car. Or I just googled it and I just double confirmed it with the owner's manual. The things you will need are your oil and oil filter, of course, a 17mm with your ratchet, an oil collector, or you could even use a big aluminum pan that you could find at the store like Walmart. You'll need a jack and jack stands, or if you don't have any of those things, here's another method. If you have a sidewalk with a driveway, then you can drive half of the wheel on the sidewalk. So half of your car will be on the sidewalk and half will be on the street, like this. And that should give you enough room to reach the oil filter and drain the oil. Okay, after all that preparation, I'm gonna need you to push that emergency brake, boom. After that, I'm gonna need you to do the sidewalk method or jack up your car if you have jack stands and a jack. After that, I'm gonna need you to pop the hood like Brian O'Connor and take off your oil cap so your oil can drain faster. After the oil cap, you are gonna have to crawl down there to the undercarriage and take off your oil filter cap and oil plug cap. And boom, there's your oil drain plug. Once you get your 17mm and pop the drain plug loose, I'm gonna need you to loosen it by hand, and once it's fully loosened, just pull back fast. Let it drain out and then tighten the bolt back up. So after you spill your oil everywhere, take off your oil filter and put the new one on, and make sure you oil the O-ring on top of the new filter. After that, put your oil and oil filter undercarriage caps back on. Then put some oil in the car. I've read online that it takes 5.3 quarts, but just check in after 4.5. And make sure you are on the ground level floor when checking it. If your car is on the curve or on jack stands, the oil level will be inaccurate. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more content like this, then subscribe. I've got a Neat 36 I'm currently fixing up, so subscribe and have a good day.